The moment you arrive, your client has already formed an opinion. A premium experience begins long before the treatment starts. Every detail matters. Professional equipment isn't just about appearance. It's about delivering consistent, reliable results. A stable, comfortable treatment table is the foundation of every professional mobile waxing appointment. An organized workstation creates confidence. When every product has its place, your client immediately recognizes professionalism. Perfect lighting helps you work with precision, improving visibility and supporting consistent treatment quality. Cleanliness is one of the strongest signals of professionalism. Every fresh setup helps build trust from the very beginning. Choosing a high-quality hard wax designed for sensitive skin can contribute to a more comfortable client experience. Proper wax consistency is essential. Careful temperature control supports smooth application and client comfort. Every tool has a purpose. A professional kit focuses on preparation, precision, hygiene and effective aftercare. In just a few minutes, an ordinary space becomes a calm, professional treatment environment that helps clients feel relaxed. Excellent service doesn't end with the treatment. Clear aftercare guidance helps clients continue looking after their skin. Working efficiently shows respect for your client's time, your own schedule and your professional reputation. When every appointment reflects high standards, clients are more likely to remember the experience and recommend your services. Professional results begin with professional standards. Make every appointment your best one yet. At MTH Health, we share practical techniques and professional standards to help beauty professionals refine their skills. Subscribe for more educational guidance.